Yele gule gule hihi, how to fix off PS4 fans noise. How to fix PS4 fan loud noise. So first we should turn on the PS4. Why the PS4 fan noise so loud? Because of this game, God of War 4 games. Because this game is exclusive game, and of course games like this is give the PS4 fan noise so loudly. Let's try for the first. I try to insert this PS4 disc. Okay, wait. First I should go to pull out the Red Dead Redemption RD2 and I insert the PS4 God of War 4. The noise will so loudly because of that. So how to fix this noise because of the game? Let's try to open the game first, and you will see the noise is so loudly about that. How to fix this? You just need the, let's see, you can hear the noise of the God of War 4. So you need this. First we should clean the hardware, the console of the PS4 with this sweep and with this tissue. Okay, and of course we need the cleaner. Where is the cleaner? So you have the, okay, we don't have the cleaner. So first clean your PS4 console or PS4 machine with this tissue to reduce the PS4 fan loud. PS4 fan noise will reduce if you clean your PS4 in this area first. So you need the, okay, first you set this, okay, look at this, in this area. Okay, you just need to swap the dust of the PS4. Okay, waiting for the God of War 4. Okay, so what is this? The game. So after this you can hear this the noise, and then we should go to the system menu. Okay, wait, I will wait this for you guys. Wait. And then you should go to the settings to reduce the PS4 fan noise so loudly. Okay guys, go to the setting first and go to the sound and screen. Oh, of course not. System software update. No, okay, you should go to this feature of your PS4. Wait, you should go to this feature. As you can see, boost mode, experience improved gameplay, including higher frame rate for some games that were released before the introduction PS4 Pro. Turn this off, you experience as better. So turn on the change your setting. Do you want to continue? Yes. So just like that You just turn on the boost mode, okay, and your PS4 will reduce of the fan noise. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe how to get fix PS4 fan loud noise. Thanks.